Hi, welcome to another vlog. Today is a Thursday morning. I'll be starting this vlog here. So I'm prepared to go see a friend. I've been promising to come see her. She's a baker like me, but she has a shop, so I've never been to her shop, so I really want to go see her today. Meanwhile, my son came back yesterday. He injured, so he told me that they already treated him in school and all that, but at the second thought I decided to open the bandage and I saw it was very deep, so we had to take him to a pharmacy yesterday. They treated him and they even had to give him injection because the wound was so deep. It was very deep actually. So you know, boys, and this is someone that last week he wore sandals to school because he fell. Stop running. I don't know what is always chasing them. He will not hear. This morning he woke up, was telling me that they are going to, because Tuesdays and Thursdays are their aerobics days in school. So he was now telling me that today they are jumping. I said, jumping what? Just go and sit down with this your leg. Moms that have boys, how are you coping with them? Because boys will make you talk. I've turned to a talkative. I don't know. So you guys, I'll be taking you guys along. I hope your day is going on well. I hope Nigeria is not dealing with you. In all, I'm grateful for good health. If that is the only thing we should be grateful for, yes, we should be grateful for it. So I'll be taking you guys along as I've been in this area for more than 5 years, but actually my first time of coming to this side. Yes. I'm glad I did. I have to go look for where to park before I can get to her shop. Yes. It's locked out. Finally, oh, good to be here. Hey, good morning. How are you? So we are here. I met her decorating, so we're working together today. We are working together. Her place is so nice. Thank you. My camera. Hi. Our fuel finished. That's a fuel. Our gas. So you want to go and get gas?
Yes.
Me, I thought we have to allow you to.
Yeah, we have to allow it to run. Try to say to reduce our workload. Like we make any.
And keep and then
Yes.
take your time. If not, I said, what is this how to chase this money?
Yeah, I don't like hard life. Oh, I like baby girls life. Oh,
It's not easy to chase this money. But the money has to be made. But it's not okay. I said, don't worry now. It's fine.
I'm supposed to put one butterfly.
But you know one thing with cake is the more you do, the more you get used to it. Yes. I remember when I started, my butter this one was not always so smooth like this one.
Me too.
It was one lady and she said she was disappointed though. Just that the cake was very sweet. That was what calmed her.
Yeah.
subscribe, like, and share.
Thank you. And give me a thumbs up. Yeah. Bye.